Hi guys, I'm Dottie from Desert Hills.
I'm Bubba Love.
Haley, I'm from Dixie High and I play soccer.
Hi, I'm Millie from Stone Canyon.
I'm Titan. I wrestle and I play football for Hurricane.
I play basketball for Cedar High.
I go to Crimson Cliffs. Obviously, I play volleyball.
I think that, especially for athletes, has really just helped us all look outside of ourselves and be able to become like a family at school.
Sophomore year, a special needs kid, after a basketball game, we went to the locker room, changed, came back, and he came up to me and was like, I don't have a ride, I don't know what to do, and so I kind of went up to our admin and was like, can you guys help him get a ride? And it's kind of E4A, just like eyes up, do the work, always look for, people trust you guys, like this athletes more than they trust admin even sometimes. So just always look for someone that needs help or can use a friend.
So one way E4A has helped me is I tore my right ACL going into soccer season, and then I wasn't able to play it, and then I tore my left ACL going into sophomore season, so I was able to play both my seasons. And I was in E4A both those times, and it just helped me realize that there's more outside of just your sport. Like you get to go and look farther outside of just the sport outcome. You get to try to make new friends.
E4A has really helped me just look outside myself and serve others.
I think my favorite thing about E4A was probably the, not just the eyes up do the work, obviously, but the seek to bless, not impress. It's really helped me like try and find people that are not comfortable talking to other people, or not comfortable playing sports, or are not the most athletic kid, but just always trying to talk to them or try and be nicer to them has really helps me, and I don't know, I'm really grateful that I have this opportunity.
I feel like, especially for athletes, has really helped our school with getting more than just only the athletes involved, because it's about more than just the teams and the people on the teams.
And so as a freshman, I would head up to the high school after and go play volleyball just for a few hours with the club. And I remember there were some kids there, they were juniors and seniors at the time. And obviously it was middle school, so I was super insecure and I didn't have very many friends. And so I was overthinking pretty much everything I did. But I remember these kids, whenever I would get there, they would always come up and talk to me because they didn't know me. But they would always come up and compliment me or talk to me. And whenever we were playing, they would always like hype me up and cheer me up. And I remember it kind of became this place that I could go to kind of be lifted up and to see that sportlight that we talk about today. Those kids had that for me. And the effect it had on me was that I played when it became a sanctioned sport the next year. I played, and my confidence in sport and just in myself grew so much from what those kids did for me. And I think now that's all of us. Those kids that inspired me and talked to me, those are who we are now. That's who I am. And it's not just for other athletes. It's for everyone in the school. The power I think that we have, that we've been given, is I think more than we realize, the effect that we can have. It turned me into the confidence I have today and the sport that I have, that I play today. It's all because of them, and I owe it all to them. And that's all us. We all have that power. And so use it. It's really special and it's really important.
Yeah, E4A has definitely given me a lot of good opportunities to help and serve others and open my eyes to just all the people out there. So
And I think it's just been really great because our atmospheres at games and different things, we've had more support and it's been a better community.